footage.
Alright guys, walls are going down.
You gonna roll footage too though?
EMF is on.
Do you want to roll footage on yours?
My phone.
Camera's on.
Camera's on.
Walls are down.
Here, you roll footage.
Okay.
You roll footage out the window there. I'll get footage here.
All right,
Oh, okay,
it's spiking up to red.
Cameras. I was gonna do camera, but okay.
Yeah, it's spiking on red.
Yeah, I'm already getting the feelings. Same.
See if you turn off the flash.
Yeah.
Yeah,
we're
it's
getting red.
staying
We're
on
getting
red.
spikes to red right now. Back here.
Turn your flash off.
Yeah. Or roll down the window if you can take a picture.
Yeah.
No, I think if we're coming from this way, I think on your left hand side is gonna be
Devil's Road.
No, where the
The mansion.
Yeah.
Man.
My eyes.
And
It's always
no, it's
foggy
fog.
over here.
That is fog.
It's spiking.
That is not okay.
It's either holding yellow or spiking to red or orange.
Oh, just one way now. Oh, there it goes. Never mind.
Yeah.
Oh, there's houses here too.
Alright, and then stop.
Wait,
Quiet. No, it's quiet. Up.
Okay, now, alright, it's back up again.
You see anything?
Take it. Now. Wait. Now. I think I see something even if it's on a small screen. And that says something right there.
It's quiet.
If you listen. You don't even hear animals. You don't hear crickets. You don't hear anything. Saw that too? Yeah, look, there's two eyes right when I took a photo. And it swears.
Right as you said that,
Back up.
it's back up and it's spiking
I
to red.
just saw something else.
Spikes are back
It's
up.
spiking to
car.
red.
Holy crap.
Under the car.
What'd you say?
Huh?
What'd you say?
Something go under the car.
Awesome.
Spikes to red.